Hi, my name is Jesus,
My name is Jingwen.
and we have our daughter in the infant program here at Inspire Kids Montessori. We were afraid, of course, and worried about her not enjoying it or maybe crying while she was here, but we were very happy to see that she was actually coming to school happy.
Amelia was so shy at the beginning, and she wouldn't say any word at all. And Miss Sabana sat down with her and repeat a word again and again. And now she started to say a lot of words. I appreciate what Miss Sabana did for Amelia.
After they play, they learn to pick up their toys. You get the feeling that your kid is safe, that your child is happy at school, and that's very important.